All right, so let's create a profit-ready website in 30 seconds. So we're gonna go here. What kind of website do you wanna build? You can do a free domain, your own domain. You can register a domain as well here. So let's do this. Let's go like that. Profit-ready website. Awesome, it's available. Name our site. We got all these themes here, about 3,000. So we'll just pick this one. Build my site. So if you want to learn the exact system that people use to go from making $0 to making $100 per day, check out this platform here. There's a link in the video description below. There's a free starter membership. You don't even need a credit card to sign up, and you can start building your websites and start making some money online. Check it out. So there we go. Here's our site. We can log in now. And we got a website ready to go. Start blogging, start making money. Really cool. And like I said, there's a free starter membership, fresh tutorials, all kind of stuff here to learn. You don't need a credit card to sign up. Check it out, folks.